In the year 1066, England lost its bloodline. A king would fall. A foreign ruler would rise. And from that moment on, England would never truly belong to the English again. This was not just a battle. It was a bloodline replacement. This is the story of the Norman Conquest. Blood of the Crown. Episode 2: The Norman Conquest. Part 1: A King Without an Heir. England's fate was sealed the moment Edward the Confessor died. He ruled England for over 20 years. But left behind no children. No heir. No clear successor. In medieval Europe, an empty throne was an invitation to war. 3 men would claim England's crown. 3 bloodlines. 3 armies. And only one could survive. Part 2: The 3 claimants. The first was Harold Godwin's son, an Anglo-Saxon noble, chosen by England's council. On January 6, 1066, Harold crowned himself King of England. Across the sea stood William, Duke of Normandy, a warrior, a descendant of Vikings. William claimed Edward promised him the throne, and that Harold swore an oath to support him. From the north came Harald Hardrada, King of Norway, a true Viking king. He believed England still belonged to Norse blood. Part 3: The First Invasion. Vikings return. The first attack did not come from Normandy. It came from Norway. In September 1066, Viking longships invaded northern England. Harold marched his army north at incredible speed. At the Battle of Stamford Bridge, the Vikings were destroyed. Harald Hardrada was killed. England was saved. But Harold's army was exhausted. And danger was already crossing the sea. Part 4: William crosses the Channel. In late September, William of Normandy set sail. His army was unlike anything England had faced. Cavalry, archers, professional soldiers. Harold turned south immediately. 2 invasions. 2 armies. 1 exhausted king. England's fate would be decided near a small town called Hastings. Part 5: The Battle of Hastings. October 14, 1066. The English formed a shield wall atop a hill. The Normans attacked again, and again, and again. 4 hours, England held. Then William changed tactics. The Normans pretended to flee. The English broke formation. And William struck. By nightfall, King Harold was dead. The last Anglo-Saxon king of England. Part 6: England replaced. On Christmas Day, 1066, William was crowned King of England. But England had not simply been conquered. It had been replaced. Anglo-Saxon nobles lost their land. Norman lords took everything. French became the language of power. English became the language of peasants. England's bloodline was now foreign. Cliffhanger ending. William had won the crown. But holding England would require fear. Castles. Rebellion. Brutal control. Next episode: How Norman kings ruled England through force and fear. Subscribe for episode 3. The Norman Kings.